Hello again, everyone, and welcome to today's story time. I'm Jason, just Jason, and today's story time is brought to you by PNC and the City of Seattle's Office of Arts and Culture. Today's story is called Skin Like Mine by Latashia M. and illustrator Bea Jackson. The book is being read by Antonio Mason. Take it away, Antonio.
Skin Like Mine is quite divine. In fact, I'd say it's one of a kind. I wouldn't trade for any other shade. I love my brown skin. Oh, where do I begin? My sister and I are both shades of brown. Me like peanut butter, and she a hazelnut spread. Both creamy and smooth. If I had to choose, it'd be hard for me because both are so yummy. Skin Like Mine is really neat. Sort of like a brownie treat. Dark chocolate brown, so tasty and sweet. I love my skin, from my head to my feet. When I look at Grandpa's skin, you know what comes to mind? Caramel, that's it. A touch of golden brown, drizzled on top of your ice cream. Ooh-wee, this is making my tummy hungry. My best bud in the whole world, Sean, we're like cookies and cream. When we're together, our skin color doesn't mean a thing because we know it's what's inside that matters the most. Color should never keep two people from being close. Imagine a world with one hue of colors. How boring that would be. I don't know about you, but I like variety. Like a bag of lollipops, each bring a different splash of flavor to my mouth. If everyone was the same, wouldn't that be a shame? Skin Like Mine is quite divine. In fact, I'd say it's one of a kind. I wouldn't trade for any other shade. I love my skin. Oh, how I love my brown skin.
Wow, wasn't that a great story? Diversity means including all kinds of people. Do you practice diversity in your community? In the book, one of the characters says that their skin looks like peanut butter, and another character says their skin looks like chocolate. What food best describes your skin color? Well, that's it for today's story time. I hope you all had lots of fun with today's story. I'm just Jason. See ya!